You?
Me?
Mm-hmm.
Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Once upon a time, there were 3 little piggies, come on little piggy, who lived with their mommy. One day, the smartest, cleverest pig said, "Come, brothers.
Come, brothers.
We must leave our mother's home
We must leave our mother's home
and go and build houses of our own."
and go and build houses of our own.
But make sure you build our houses where the big bad wolf cannot pull it down.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now the piggies did leave and sing. Who's afraid of the
Big bad wolf, the big bad wolf, the big bad wolf. Who's afraid of the big bad wolf?
La 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 la. So the little lazy pig met a farmer on the street. "Hey farmer, can I buy this straw from you?" The farmer said, "Yeah." "Thanks, farmer." So she built her house of straw. Fast, fast, fast. And then she laid back. And then you guys go. Then the little piggy made his house of sticks. So he got some sticks from the farmer.
Hey, can I brush a straw? Can I brush sticks? Sure.
And he relaxed in his house of sticks. But the cleverest pig...
And then the cleverest piggy came to the farmer and said, "I need bricks and mortar to build my house with. Could I buy some from you, please?" "Thank you." So I came over here and I put down mortar and I placed
But
bricks.
the lazy pigs were playing and playing. They teased the big brother.
And I'm working, placing bricks.
You're too hard to work.
You worked too hard.
Oh, I'm working so hard. But it'll be worth it because my house will be strong. It'll be worth it because my house will be strong.
And so the other 2 piggies played and played. Who's afraid of the big bad wolf? The big bad wolf. The big bad wolf. Go to your house. Go to your house.
I'm hungry for pigs. I smell a delicious piggy. Little pig, let me in.
Not by the hair of my chin, chin, chin.
Then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house in.
The big bad wolf is coming.
I smell 2 piggies. Little pigs, let me in. Then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house in.
Come into my brick home. Come into my brick home, brother pig.
Ooh, straw brick house. I smell 3 piggies. Little pigs, let me in.
Not by the hair of my chin, chin, chin.
Then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house in. There must be another way in.
Cleverest pig, were you making us some hot soup?
Yes, we have hot soup to eat and tea.
I will climb up on the
Look
roof
at this big bowl of hot soup.
and I will go down the chimney.
Hot soup.
Very hot.
Delicious.
I'm going down the chimney. Ah! Splash! Ah! My booty! Ah!